Okay, I'm on it.
My house.
Whoa!
Oh, I'm right here. It's good for this one. Yes.
Holy shit! Damn girl, we gotta go now! We're going into space! Woo! Cut to this chick.
This group right here.
Okay. Whoa, wait.
Purple hat, gray undershirt, red shorts.
Amazing.
There's a winner right there, man. Ooh, buddy.
Oh, definitely gonna horn him
Oh, yeah.
or her.
Holy bumpy road, dude. Holy shit. Woo, gee. Gonna get him. What up? Dark.
Go for it.
Yeah, I think it's totally gonna be his ass. I'll take off.
Now we're...
Hey, you missed a sticker. You got another spot there. You can fit another one.
Holy shit, dude.
Laser Medical Center, the preferred choice for LASIK throughout. So call
Oh, shit!
Goofy. All of my love. Oh, all of my love to you.
Damn.
It's my girlfriend.
It's pretty bad when you got to stock a fucking picture on a...
That is awesome, Ryan. That is awesome, Ryan. That is awesome, Ryan.